Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about symptoms of diabetes type 2 in adults, anti-diabetic herbal supplement. The diabetic is a silent killer. There are many people in this world, who do not know they have diabetic. Yes, the diabetic symptoms may occur just once or for a prolonged time. When you feel excess thirst, dizziness, blurred vision and impaired balance, you must check your blood sugar level. The symptoms of diabetes type 2 in adults may vary according to their age and family history of being diabetic. It is advisable to consume the anti-diabetic herbal supplement. The herbs that lower blood sugar do not cause any side effects. The best natural pills for diabetes are Diabetic capsules. Unusual symptoms of diabetes in men/women. The corporate working people, who are sitting for long hours, must not ignore to check the below-mentioned unusual symptom of diabetes. You may feel a needle poking sensation in the feet and edges of the arm figure. You must not simply avoid them as due to long time sitting and typing work. It is an unusual sensation caused due to high blood sugar. The long-term high blood sugar will damage your nerve system towards the edges of the arm and legs. It is also the major symptoms of diabetes type 2 in adults. Diabetic capsules are the natural anti-diabetic herbal supplement. The usual symptoms of diabetes in men/women. You may feel thirsty even after drinking enough water. You may feel dizziness and may fall down due to unconsciousness. You may become an obese person. Some of them may feel their weight is getting down. Your vision may become blurred. How to consume herbal supplements for diabetics. The people with all symptoms of diabetes type 2 in adults must consume daily thrice. The anti-diabetic herbal supplement gives the best result, when you consume them with water. Diabetic capsules contain those herbs that lower blood sugar naturally. The best natural pills for diabetes are the best to take before food. Diabetic capsules are 100% safe to consume by a pregnant woman. The symptoms of diabetes type 2 in adults may long last for years. It is advisable to take the anti-diabetic herbal supplement. The herbs that lower blood sugar may take 3 to 4 months to show its actual result. You can withdraw the intake of the herbal supplements, if your blood sugar level is normal for 2 to 3 months. You can consume them once again, when they are abnormal. It will be better to take before and after blood sugar level, while in consuming the best natural pills for diabetes. Diabetic capsules are naturals and have proven results. The life-threatening symptoms of diabetes type 2 in adults is becoming unconsciousness. The anti-diabetic herbal supplement is the best to bring down your blood sugar level to normalcy. Diabetic capsules are the best for men and women. It has no side effects. You can find more details about Diabetic capsules at natureagain.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.